Welcome to a Tuesday evening, everybody. As we look out over the city of Grand Rapids, what you'll find, this shot is a lot brighter than it normally is because of the little bit of snow we got. All the light is reflecting off that, so it looks a little bit brighter. A beautiful shot out there as we head through the overnight hours and into tomorrow. I think there's a good chance of more lake effect snow, especially along and west of US 131. We'll show you why here in just a minute. The core of the Arctic air arrives tonight and sets up shop through tomorrow. So that means temperatures only in the upper teens to low 20s, wind chill factors in the single digits. It will be warmer by Thursday. I think we'll give above the freezing mark, so that's something to look forward to. You can see this lake effect snow shower activity has certainly shrunken aerial coverage, but these lake effect snow showers are growing all the way over to Lansing, just north of Lansing, and they're generally light snow showers, flakes and flurries. But my concern is, as some upper level energy kind of rotates on through the Great Lakes later tonight into tomorrow, there may be an uptick. This may re-energize and this may blossom again on radar. We may pick up another inch or two through the morning hours till about midday tomorrow, especially along and west of US 131. But you can see there's nothing out here but clear skies. Matter of fact, there have been some breaks inland here in West Michigan. And the question is, does the upper level energy win out over the dry air and we see the snow showers? Or does the dry air win out over the upper level energy and we see nothing? I think that upper level energy is going to create some lift. It's going to pick up some moisture, and we're going to see probably some snow showers blossom later tonight and through the day tomorrow, at least through the morning hours. It feels like it's in the single digits to around 10 above in most cases. These are the actual wind chills out there right now. The temperatures are in the upper teens to low 20s out there. The warmest temperatures tonight are going to be at the immediate lakeshore in the low to mid 20s with the wind coming off Lake Michigan. We'll pull back to a wider perspective. Look at some of these numbers. Wausau, 2 degrees below zero right now. It's 9 below in Duluth. They've got clear skies out here. They've got a snowpack on the ground, so that's why they're a little bit colder out there. Clouds and radar movement over the last several hours will show you the way these are kind of shrinking in aerial coverage, and there's just nothing off to our west. But as that upper level energy kind of rotates on through, I think it's going to kind of re-energize those snow showers later tonight and into tomorrow morning. So again, watch out. The potential for a slippery morning commute is certainly going to be there if we can lay down a little bit of snow just during or before or just around the morning commute there through those early morning hours. And with temperatures well below freezing, it could be slippery. So that possibility is certainly there. Only 23 degrees for the high tomorrow. I've got morning snow showers in there till around midday. Another inch or two of accumulation possible, especially along and west of US 131 with a west wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. That means wind chills down into the single digits. Here's what it looks like at 6 a.m. There's a cold front that's going to be moving on through. Again, the forecast models are not really depicting the snow very well. They typically have a hard time with lake effect snow, but that's why I'm thinking I think we could see some of that. High pressure will build in during the second part of the day and should shut that lake effect snow down. So we're talking just through the morning hours till about midday or so. Otherwise, at 6 p.m., we're dry. Matter of fact, we may start to break up some of that cloud cover if we're lucky. Wednesday night into Thursday, quiet conditions, but there's another area of snow that's going to break out on Thursday. Most of that will stay north of our area. It could clip a couple of our northern counties as we get into Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening, but most of it is going to stay outside of our Fox 17 viewing area. This is Friday morning at 6 a.m., partly to mostly cloudy skies, and here comes the next system in here. It won't be here on Friday, but it'll be here for the weekend. That could give us some rain or snow showers by the time we get into Saturday. Want to look at future temperatures, 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. The bigger, whiter numbers are the actual air temperatures as forecast by the model, and these WC numbers are the wind chills. So places like Big Rapids and Fremont may be at or below zero tomorrow morning. The big takeaway here, folks, make sure you dress the kids up, going to the bus stop, and make sure that they're bundled up. As we go through the day tomorrow, we'll stop this at noon tomorrow. We've got the temperatures in the upper teens to around the 20-degree mark with wind chills still only in the single digits. And as we go through the rest of the day, highs only make the upper teens to low 20s with wind chills staying generally between about 2 above and about 10 above. Here's the snow forecast with that west wind tomorrow at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. This area in blue will have the chance of picking up about another 1 to 2 inches of snow as that upper level energy kind of moves on through the area, picks up some moisture from Lake Michigan. Out in the gray band here, it would be about an inch or less, and if you're further to the east, not much of anything. That's what it looks like right now. I'll say the same thing. It would be a good idea if you're going out tomorrow for work or school. Make sure to switch on to Fox 17 Morning News. We'll come on at 4:30 in the morning, get an update with not only the snow situation, but we'll also look at radar and we'll look at temperatures and wind chills at that time as well. But that's the chance. The potential for a couple of more inches of snow will be there through the morning hours tomorrow. We talked about tomorrow, 23 degrees there. Look at how nicely we warm up. By the time we get into Thursday, probably a fair amount of cloud cover. Still breezy, but we should break the freezing mark there. 40 degrees on Friday. That's a quiet day, but mainly cloudy. 38 on Saturday as that next system comes in. A chance of light rain or snow. A few snow showers possible Sunday. And we're still in the low 30s for Monday and Tuesday. About 37 degrees. That's our normal or average high for this time of the year. Derek, Janice?